All right, we're talking about something that lands in your inbox every single day, emails. But not just any emails, good-looking, engaging emails that people actually want to open. Yeah, that's possible. So let's dive into some fun facts, some handy tips, and I'm gonna sprinkle in a little design magic to make sure that your emails stand out. What's up? My name is Ace and I'm from MailerLite. Why care about email design? All right, let's be honest. How many times though have you opened an email, seen a wall of never-ending text, and hit delete faster than you make the coffee in the morning? Right, exactly. First impressions matter. Did you know that 81% of people prefer to actually open their emails on their smartphones? That means your emails need to look amazing even on a tiny screen. And a lot of people miss this. So picture this, you're designing your masterpiece for desktop, only it's like preparing a pizza for somebody wearing boxing gloves. They'll never get the full experience, and you do not want that. Okay, I know that was probably not the best analogy, but you get the idea, right? Tip 1, you want to keep it simple. Minimalism is not just for trending Instagram feeds. It's actually the golden rule for email design too. The more clutter you have, the quicker people are going to just bounce from your email. In fact, a study by WordStream shows that emails with a single call to action increases clicks by 371% and sales by 1,700%. Yeah, over 1,000%. I mean, heck, even over 1,500%. For tip 2, use eye-catching images, but not too many. Images can make your email pop, but you also don't want to overload it. Too many images can also slow down the loading time, especially on mobile. And as always, you want to make sure that you add alt text. That way, even if images don't load, your readers aren't going to miss the point and your jokes won't go unnoticed. And if you didn't know, alt text is a descriptive text used to convey the meaning of an image. So if the image doesn't load, for example, the alt text will actually show in its place. So there's at least some context for the viewer. And tip 3, choose your colors wisely. If you end up using every color in the rainbow, your email is just gonna look like a unicorn sneezed on it. Stick to your brand colors and select 2 to 3 main ones to keep things cohesive. And also, don't forget accessibility. Make sure there's enough contrast so that everyone can easily read your message. And tip 4, you want to nail the CTA, aka the call to action button. The CTA is like the Beyonce of your email. It needs to really stand out to make a difference. You want to make buttons bold, use action-oriented language like get my discount instead of just click here. And you want to test their placement. And fun fact, buttons get 28% more clicks when they have rounded corners. Apparently people love curves. Sorry, squares. And tip 5, fonts matter. You want to resist the urge to use Comic Sans? Unless you're joking, stick with web-friendly fonts like Arial, Helvetica, or Georgia for easy reading. And don't make your text too small. Nobody should need a microscope to read your email. And tip 6, your secret weapon, responsive design. Remember when I said 81% of people prefer to open their emails on mobile? Well, responsive design is your BFF. Platforms like MailerLite actually make this a breeze, ensuring that your emails look great, whether it's on a desktop, tablet, or even a smartwatch, if that's your thing. But also, here's another fun fact. Marketers who segment their campaigns actually see as much as a 760% increase in revenue. So you want to design specifically with your audience in mind, and never hurts to segment them either. Designing emails doesn't have to be rocket science, but with these tips, you'll be sending rocket-worthy masterpieces in no time. And if you want to create beautiful, responsive emails without a headache, be sure to check out actually all the design tools and templates over at MailerLite. I'll go ahead and put a link down below for you to check it out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and drop your best or worst email design story in the comments. With that said, thanks for watching and I'll catch you all in the next one.